Anacho aba mesa mo akwa ba de edu so no ye Adom Trotro Salasi e wa Kwaba village baby Asantewaa aduonum wo ye Sing-a-thon yenko wesa de system no etie Salasi we are mu tesa ye boye mu nchemu en
It's on. Kasee and Afua Asantewaa and nine any and also a Sing-a-thon aseno or de Egusua Esheso and Adom Trotro BPM Haseno, Jumedian Gusua Ekoso, and Yumton Kusua Ekoso. Now a brave do best doom your number Ponsima Eduno, now a Yokojina home best 5 minutes. Abba, Sisia was some bets and Joma, Obana to any Hasea, and Kofo Pina Neguasia, Omugusuankasa air chain up. Sisiams was just some few minutes break Buma or some air could break. Nayako Hesena age median so Eko, and Kofo Pina Nawa from Anajo Eba Besiana Pano, and Kofo Piwa, Omugusua air chain up. And then a Hane by and a Hesse and any communications director, Nibi, a bedin Koma Bisana say, Jumedian so far, almost Shasian and 9 Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and 9. Sisia Menoka say, why a year 82 hours. What's on and also, Edna and also at San so 82 hours, to my so with my breakisa record, no 84 hours actually, and waiting me. Our with my breakisa record, and any communications director, I find say Abigail, our Jumedian and Bibiara Ecosoano, Yanni Abigail winning Common Bisan said Jumediano, almost Shasian and 9 saying echo, no Musu say, Senya Echo Nasa, and a bit to me, I call Anna, Abigail Memo high about Adom Trotro.
Yeah.
Bibiabo Code.
Yamiadum Bibiabo code.
Dedica Yembisa, and 9 Namoshasi. No more expected to be this huge number of Hasiana.
Near him say Ghanaians very hospitable and supportive. But we didn't expect this huge number. I think daytime maybe we are no near, but I'm not job there. Ubedu out to me for 9 baby. People really come in their numbers to support. And one thing surprising a pass for the celebrities. In fact, I'm surprising a big artists and Caribbean friend or baby ideally I can't all they are trooping in to support, and it's very impressive. Okay,
the fact that Mumu Vice President Wahanum on a Monday, how was the feeling like?
I think, and also kind of boosting the whole, the celebrities coming in. But we never expect Vice President there. And can wait then, they called Obey small be Muslim, Nakawa, but no Kasee buy and no buy supporting it gave it a huge way. Then the celebrities didn't stay home. Almost sober, almost schedule happiness and so bad. It was unexpected actually.
I am from dream na Kasee Sing-a-thon da beni bewi. And the camera say you shouldn't hold that potin be na movie.
Okay, so Sing-a-thon there. 4 hours, 4 days, 9 hours. That is the time for it to break the record. Because current holder no, it was 105 hours. Into near 117 hours. If you bring it today, say 4 days and 9 hours. But who said any panel there? Some of the things into me controlling. Obeying ya home jack a cranny break when she breaks Kakrabi up a bum. Your timekeepers all no man taking note of every minute time or stop here, time or back, the number of way away. Or taking note of that. Immediately I do time and Kasee and break. She has to make up for all those hours account. As it stands here to me, just say 1 or 2 hours and that's away. It is a 4 days, 9 hours now. Say 2 hours and 4 hours now. She will have to make up for that and sana. But hopefully by close of tomorrow, we should break the record and over because the breakage is now. I'm about to see him. And it's a one magabness. I'm about to tell you enough that you've done a conscientious job, so that's what we are trying to prevent.
Yeah, me so autumn na how to me so nyum na e bobat a bit ne bobat won tete autumn na ehim enko hardin.
It is any mechanic no. Time I want to nyum na timekeepers no, they are taking care of that. Well, you are supposed to sing non-stop. At the time where you break and then when a timekeeper need taking time, second time Ben or stop here, time Ben or babe no way take it. She will make up for all those times. You know there's no way. So far as there's no rule that has been violated there. all lost time. Say 1 week run obey, yeah, it is allowed obey.
With the last line, any Ebimun Kasawa say after Sing-a-thon, what's next?
And see, Afua Kasano, I think she's a past queen. She has a lot of events she holds. She is the CEO of Ghana Outstanding Women's Award. She does events and all that. After Sing-a-thon, she goes on. If there are any sponsorship deals that will be coming on board, she will welcome them.
All right, thank you very much. Yeni ebi mo son kasa wa ne nhwe se adwuma di no ma ba be pie mo ewia no hwe ewia ne bo pa enye easy bankofo gusu gino mo na so I think oko break sisi yenya ye papa wa yeni nkomo ye ma akwa ba e ma haba Adom Trotro so
Adom Trotro menya papa sa yenya enua be ma yo ha se menyi bebrisa okay wadaruma me pa cho ye wo ha se support me. I've been here since day one and yeguso our job here is to welcome the VVIPs who come here to support. Yes, you adwuma idea share and so Tipenifo Babia and making sure say welcome home. Now yes, so they feel what is happening. And many people have come. I've just seen that the National Security Coordinator is here, so we'll have to attend to him. And so Ghanaians have shown love and we are excited. And I encourage you to be Ama Timi Aba exciting so at me so I share some of these events like this, which is very important.
And yembisa I'm Ghana police for you say you do ano now I think foot training so initiative.
Yes, let's applaud the IGP Ura Akufu Dampare and the team. In fact, the vice president of the land even came here and share how important this event is, and this is it. Almost supportive because this is a dusty area until they just want to make the place very friendly for people. That is why there's a breaker. Yeman Crawford etimi afili what is actually happening here. As I say, if we try to do it Ghana police airboa with some of this, and that is how it should go. On minus sadness here, one some any nipa, and we are excited with the a kind of excitement. And Crawford nya butrema na yentimi and water ya na afi enumre no nipa do na beba na futuro no nkodoso na nkofa yare for kata na yare for fama bedase.
You enoke bedase and I wish and Kofo Pina, Nipa Pinana, a Gusua has say, Omo Dosso, Nipano, at Dos, when Futron Intino, I mother and police for no, I'm a monster or Monchu, Monomofa, and Sion Futrono, Nan Futrono, and to me, Emra from Kakra and Fama Womo, not me the name to me, Coso, Sisiameno Kasee Asantewaa, sorry, Kakra, Edgena Home, or Home Kakra, na the Becos web Mubiano, Adom Ashe for Yemfa and Camomo, Satrotrono, and a Yama, a Quaba village, has a de Bremo, Nase, a Trotrono, Mimate, me bet Nase, Nasa driver so start engine. Adia e beje so ne akase